Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use Webull on PC. First, download the Webull desktop application directly from their official website. The installation process is straightforward, typically taking less than 1 minute. Once installed, simply log in with your existing Webull account. You'll immediately notice the highly customizable interface, allowing you to arrange your trading windows exactly how you prefer for optimal efficiency. Navigating the Webull PC interface is intuitive and designed for traders. The main menu provides quick access to your account, market data, and trading functions. Use the powerful search bar to instantly locate any stock or asset you're interested in. You can easily create and manage multiple watch lists to keep a close eye on your favorite securities, all while accessing real-time quotes and comprehensive company details. Executing trades on Webull PC is efficient and precise. To place an order, simply open the dedicated order entry panel. You'll have several order types to choose from, including market orders for immediate execution, limit orders for specific prices, and stop orders for risk management. Clearly specify the quantity of shares or contracts you wish to trade, then carefully review all details before submitting your order. Webull PC offers a robust suite of advanced features to enhance your trading. Dive into sophisticated charting tools, complete with over 50 technical indicators for in-depth analysis. Practice new strategies, risk-free using the paper trading simulator, which mirrors live market conditions. Engage with the Active Community tab for valuable insights, and set up custom alerts for critical price movements or breaking news.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.